Hello class, we are in Google Earth, and doesn't this look amazing? Looks like it's been updated since we last saw it. Today we're going to take a virtual field trip to different Veterans Memorial sites. So we're going to go to our country first, right here. I'm going to zoom in on our country. Now there are very many different Veterans Memorial sites all over our country, but today we're going to visit only a few. We're going to start with our most famous ones. I'm going to click over here to our field trip, Veterans Memorial. And the first place we're going to go to is to the Tomb of the Unknown Soldier in Washington, D.C. Okay. I'm going to take my little monito and I'm going to go to Street View so we can take a better look. Now remember, you might see people there, but these are not live shots. These are images. There's the Tomb of the Unknown Soldier right here. This is a monument dedicated to the U.S. service members who died and were not able to be identified. There's always a guard present 24 hours a day. I'm going to go ahead and turn so you can see that they always have visitors. I'm going to exit Street View, and I'm going to go ahead and just have you look at this very beautiful auditorium, which is part of the memorial. Also part of the memorial is the Arlington Cemetery, which is a cemetery for service members. It is a very big place. Many people visit the site to give honor to those who sacrificed their lives. Now we're going to stay in Washington, D.C., and we're going to go to our next site, the Vietnam Veterans Memorial. And it's right there. Now from here, you see this little angle right here? This is a wall. A wall which has the names of all the service members who gave their lives in the Vietnam War. So we're going to take a closer look, and you're going to see lots of people here because there's always a lot of people visiting this site. Remember, these are pictures. So as you can see, there are so many names on this wall. So this reminds people of just how so many people lost their lives in the Vietnam War. Taking a short walk. You can see more names. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and exit because I want to show you the three soldiers statue, the three servicemen statue, which is also a monument. Let's go right here. Okay, if I turn, I could see, there it is. Okay, we're going to go ahead and exit out here so that we can go to our next stop, which is all the way across the country and all the way across the ocean to Hawaii. It's pretty far away. Pearl Harbor National Memorial. This is the USS Arizona Memorial at Pearl Harbor, which is in honor of those who lost their lives during the attack of Pearl Harbor. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Now, from this view, you can actually see the sunken battleship underwater. And the Pearl Harbor Memorial was actually built over the sunken battleship. First thing I'm going to do is go to this spot right here because people get there by ferry. So you can see lots of people here. Looks like they're boarding. A ferry is like a boat that just goes, takes you to one place and then back. So you can see right here the USS Arizona Memorial. Let's go ahead and go inside the memorial. Oh, that's not inside the memorial. But you can see all other monuments here. And go ahead and try to get inside the memorial again. Try a different spot. Almost there. Sort of there. Yeah, there we go. We're inside the memorial. Now remember, memorials are built so that we can remember, honor the service members. Actually, memorial is any place that honors a person or an event. Now I went ahead and placed one more location. It's a memorial that is not as famous as these. These are some of our most famous ones. I'm going to go to one that's not famous because it's in a small town. Small town called Crystal City. And this memorial is actually a park. Juan Garcia Park. You might have heard of it. This is the whole park right here, but I'm going to take a little monito and I'm going to go to the entrance of the park, which is right here. This is the entrance, and what I wanted you to see was this memorial right here, Juan Garcia Memorial Park. Juan Garcia was from Crystal City, and he was one of the first people who lost their lives in the Vietnam War. And you can't see it, but it also has the names of other people from Crystal City who were also service members. So that's it for a virtual field trip, and I'm hoping that you find a memorial place that you would like to visit as well.